So governance is a word derived from Latin word governao, which means to steer, means the ability of society to steer itself, to steer itself. So governance is all about its ability and its accountability. तो गवर्नेंस में क्या होता है? इफेक्टिव प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग स्ट्रैटेजी, इफेक्टिव प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग स्ट्रैटेजी, इफेक्टिव प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग स्ट्रैटेजी. तो ये बिहेवियरल डायमेंशन होता है. गवर्नेंस क्या होता है? बिहेवियरल डायमेंशन होता है गवर्नमेंट. अगर हम अगर हम देखें फिलोसफिकली देखें तो इट इज़ अ आर्ट ऑफ गवर्नमेंट. गवर्नेंस इज आर्ट ऑफ गवर्नमेंट and it is a behavioral dimension of the government. So it is can be interpreted in a manner in which authority is going to be used for the rational utilization of available resources to realize the common interest. For the rational utilization of available resources, the manner in which there will be rational utilization of available resources in the to realize the common interest. So it is a system of values, policies, institutions through which a society manages its economy, social, political affairs. सो द टर्म गुड गवर्नेंस, तो टर्म जो है गुड गवर्नेंस है, ठीक है, वो क्या करता है? सिम्बोलाइज करता है अ पैराडाइम शिफ्ट ऑफ द रोल ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट. क्या हो रहा है? पैराडाइम शिफ्ट हो रहा है ऑफ द रोल ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट. टू टॉक अबाउट द सेल्फ रेगुलेशन, सेल्फ असेसमेंट, हाउ प्रोबेबली गवर्नमेंट विल हेल्प इन रियलाइजिंग आवर गोल ऑफ सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट and in transparency, accountability, inclusivity. So there's some principle to be followed: transparency, accountability, confidentiality, and inclusivity. Confidentiality, impartiality. So accountability क्या है? तो no law can force us to give our best. It's depend on ourselves. So accountability is more personal moral code of conduct. और वो जब accountability law के द्वारा define कर दी जाती है, and it becomes your duty to perform that task, then you are answerable for it. क्या behavioral thing can be guided by only law? They cannot only be guided by law. So values inculcating in you will reflect in your behavior. So if we talk about the good governance, accountability is not confined to legal. So accountability will not confine to legal interpretation of accountability. So we are at 21st century considered micro accountability along with the macro accountability. So micro accountability, law will take care, and micro accountability, ethics, morality has to take care of the micro level of accountability. बस टीचर ने ब्रेक लिया, ठीक है, तो आपको ब्रेक मिला, तो टीचर को भी ब्रेक लेना चाहिए कि टीचर ने नहीं लिया, तो इट इज़ अ एक्सटेंडेड अकाउंटेबिलिटी. तो ये होती है माइक्रो लेवल की अकाउंटेबिलिटी. तो माइक्रो अकाउंटेबिलिटी दैट इज बाय एथिक्स एंड मोरालिटी. मैक्रो लेवल अकाउंटेबिलिटी दैट इज इन्फोर्स्ड बाय लॉ. देयरफॉर वी केयर अबाउट बोथ मैक्रो एज वेल एज माइक्रो लेवल ऑफ अकाउंटेबिलिटी. तो आप बोल सकते हैं कॉस्मोलॉजिकल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी या एक्सटेंडेड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. एक्सटेंडेड तो हर एक सिविल सर्वेंट को पूछना चाहिए व्हाई आई शुड बी सेलेक्टेड, व्हाई आई शुड बिकम अ सिविल सर्वेंट. तो क्वेश्चन आएगा, एम आई रेडी टू टेक माई रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, एम आई रेडी टू आंसर to be answerable. So accountability will not confine to law when you have to deal with probity in governance. So accountability will not confined only to the law. So accountability related to public, to the society, to the government. Accountability to ecosystem as well at micro level, and probity in governance will talk about that kind of accountability, both at the macro level and micro level. Macro level is guided by the law, and micro level by the ethics and morality. For example, when they're both kind of accounting micro, the person need to be, there should be transparency as well. There should be no secrecy. So micro and macro accountability and transparency will shift accountability. For example, इन्होंने अच्छे से पढ़ा दिया, स्टूडेंट पे accountability चली जाएगी कि हाँ गवर्नेंस बताओ क्या है probability in governance, good governance क्या है. So accountability and responsibility are the two primary principles followed in probity in governance. So confidentiality रखनी चाहिए, because ऐसा है कि जैसे ये विद एन IAS की सारी चीज़ें बाहर जाके बता दे, तो you must be loyal to the organization you are working. So you must not reveal anything that will hurt the interest of the organization. So there is a dedication, determination. There should be loyalty to the organization, otherwise trust will reduce. Excess of everything is bad. ना कि चाइना की तरह होना चाहिए कि जिसने कोरोना वायरस की वजह से बताया उसी को डिटेन कर लिया, नहीं, अब वो सब कुछ शेयर कर देना चाहिए, ना कि सब कुछ छुपाना चाहिए. तो एक्सेस ऑफ everything is wrong. So one should be loyal to the organization, and what are the document that will hurt the interest of the organization should not be shared with others. So there should be impartiality and neutrality. So what is a neutrality? There should be sterilization from the politics of the present. Neutrality, sterilization from the politics of the present. So impartiality means equal treatment in equal circumstances. So equal treatment in equal circumstances is impartiality. So impartiality, differential treatment, different situation, same kind of treatment in same situation. So conflict of interest is not wrong in itself. When the professional interests come in conflict with the personal interest, conflict of interest arises. When the professional interests come in conflict with the personal interest. Conflict of interest in itself is not wrong, but how it is managed. The Council of Europe says that conflicts of interest occur because people some many times try to get material benefit. तो इंटरेस्ट कैसे हो सकता है? तो मटेरियल बेनिफिट्स हो सकते हैं, सोशल बेनिफिट भी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल टीचर चाहे कि लड़के लड़की को अलग कर दो, तो वैसे ही रूल बना देंगे, तो पर्सनली इनका मॉरल सेटिस्फाई हो जाएगा. तो यू मस्ट नॉट बी ईगोइस्ट. यू विल शुड गो विद, सपोज यू हैव टू इन्फोर्स अकाउंटेबिलिटीज. फॉर एग्जाम्पल सर ने से बोला कि मोबाइल मत चलाओ, तो क्या वो चला रहा है. सर ने क्यों बोला? नॉट बिकॉज आउट ऑफ ईगो बट आउट ऑफ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. एटलीस्ट आई शुड डू माई वर्क प्रॉपरली. So circular pattern behavior means work with everyone rather than under one or over one. Work with everyone. So circular pattern of behavior, not over anyone, under anyone. So we all are under constitution, not under any other person. So if we are concerned about probity in governance, we always try to minimize the conflict of interest, and will we always be proactive. So we'll try to minimize conflict of interest in the terms of financial as well as non-financial benefits. So if the clash of interest come down, corruption will reduce and there will be increase in probity in governance. So we need to be proactive in our approach to deal with conflict of interest so that we maintain probity in governance. If my ethics and morality do not match with the ethics and morality of the organization, I should resign first, then I can criticize. Not criticize from within the organization. So all India service conduct rules में है कि if there is any information that my organization is not allowing me to share, that is prohibited to share, so I must not share. Higher authority asking you to do something against the law, then you can have authority to write, the authority to give it in writing.